Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial, and before us is this beautiful exponential equation, and it shows that if 25 raised to the power of x minus 5 raised to the power of x equals 2, I are told to find the value of x. So how do we go about it? Now looking at the equation, you see now here you have 25, which can be reduced to a base of 5, and here we just have 5. Okay, so if I were to reduce this to a base of 5, this becomes 5 raised to the power of 2, take note, all raised to the power of this x, then minus 5 raised to the power of x equals what? 2. Now, according to the law of indices, we can actually swap this exponent, which means x can come here, 2 can come here. So here you have 5 raised to the power of x, all raised to the power of what? 2, then minus 5 raised to the power of x, then equals what? 2. So in this case, now what we just need to do is to substitute 5 raised to the power of x, maybe for another variable, let's say b, a, so that we have a clear form of equation for us to solve. So in this case, now let us make 5 raised to the power of x equals, let us say, a. So here we are replacing this for a, you have what? A raised to the power of 2, then minus a equals what? 2. You can see this now gives us a quadratic equation. Now let us bring 2 over to the left hand side. So here you have a raised to the power of 2 minus a minus 2 equals what? 0. Okay, so let us factorize. Can it be factorizable? I think yes. So since the leading coefficient here is 1, you can just do this. Since we are working with a variable, you have a and we have a. Now, since this is minus and this is minus, so most likely it means 2 of the factors that will give us this constant, one of it will be plus and one of it will be minus. So you put minus here, you can put plus here, you can put minus here, however it is. Now, what are those 2 factors that when you multiply will give us 2, and when you add will give us what? 1. So that should be 2 and 1. Now, but because here the linear term here is negative, it implies that the bigger of the 2 factors will be what? Will be negative. So here we put our 2 and here we put our what? 1. So to this end, now since these 2 terms now equals 0, it implies that a plus 1 will be equal to 0 and a minus 2 equals what? 0. So a here will give us negative 1 and a here will give us 2. Okay, now since the 2 values of a is negative 1 and 2, now let us plug in these values for a to see how true. So here we have 5 raised to the power of x equals negative 1. Okay, for us to find x here, all we just need to do is to apply the natural log to both sides of the equation. Here we have ln 5 raised to the power of x equals ln negative 1. Okay, so this is not possible, so it means this particular one is wrong. Okay, so it cannot be a solution. Actually, I knew that, but I just wanted to show every one of us why it's not a solution. So here we have x raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of x for a equals to 2. So apply the natural log, then equals to ln was 2. So according to the law of logarithm, x here becomes a base here. Here we have x ln 5 equals ln 2. So divide both sides by ln 5. So this cancels this, that x will now give us what? ln 2 over what? ln 5 as the final answer. If you love what I've just done, ensure you share this beautiful video with others. Thank you and God bless you.